Starting from 2014, there had been a steep increase in the use of e-cigarettes. Most of the population using e-cigarettes are people that switched to e-cigarettes from normal cigarettes for the hope of better health and to quit smoking. As the statistics above show, about 9% of the US adult citizen regularly vape, and more shockingly, about 27.5% of the US high school student population use vape products. Our company's goal is to effectively provide smokers with more support to quit smoking and to possibly eliminate underage vaping. We acknowledge the harmful chemicals such as nicotine that is emitted by smokers. Chemicals from e-cigarettes not only threats the smoker, but it also causes public health problems such as to the bystanders. So, our team decided to face this problem by using ISO 15693 RFID tags in our products. This chip, when detected by an RFID reader, will alert our users, which will encourage them to stop smoking immediately. To add on, unlike GPS sensors, RFID chips do not collect data from our users, such as location data. Thus, it does not cause any problems related to privacy. Now, away from public health problems, our company focuses on providing our customers with maximum aid to help them quit vaping. The no-code application that we developed by using Billfire provides our users with all necessary personal device information, such as expected wick date and expected refill date of vape juice. These expected data provided by our app is necessary as it informs our users with the usage of their vape. Our application uses a unique login procedure that requires age verification, which is supported by Jumio, one of the most reliable age verification utility, which will eliminate underage vaping. To carry on, our users meet the expected date, they will receive a point under our accumulative point system. These points will benefit our users as they can use their points to receive additional discount with their purchases. This is critical as we thought that making the purchase less burdensome, our users will feel less stressed out about the payment, thus encouraging our users to quit smoking much faster and easier.
So what is our product? What is KAQO? KAQO is an e-cigarette that is based on the product Juul, but we integrated technology and our ideas into the product so that we can make it better. We aim to reduce waste, and that was our number one consideration while we were making this prototype. So we decided to focus on these 3 points, which are reusability, durability, and easy maintenance.
About reusability, the pods that we see in the e-cigarettes these days are one-time use only, and this is a total waste. This is the number one contributor to the massive amounts of trash that comes from e-cigarettes just because the plastic pods are not recyclable. The chemical substances that stick to the plastic pods are very detrimental to the environment. So our team decided that we should make the pods refillable instead. Now, another major problem with the e-cigarettes in the status quo is that the parts used in the device have different lifespans. A battery has an average to 2 to 3 months of lifespan, and the coil only lasts about 2 to 3 weeks. And yet, they cannot be separated because it is made in one whole chunk. So what we decided to do is to take it apart and make it separable. By making the coil separable and the battery separable, we are going to make the customer able to replace the individual parts whenever it dysfunctions or malfunctions. Our team also contemplated on what is it that makes these e-cigarettes also short-lived. A lot of the coils that are used in e-cigarettes nowadays use cotton and wicks to control juice flow and pressure. This proved very detrimental to the lifespan of the coil because the cotton was not so long-lasting and very susceptible to burning. So instead, we got rid of the cotton and got rid of the wick. We used ceramic coils instead. Basically, what this does is that this type of coil does not require cotton or wick to heat the juice, and it forms a protective barrier surrounding the coil and protects it from oxidation and rusting, making it more durable. Our team also looked to replace the material of the pods. We will use PPS, a very heat-resistant plastic, to reinforce the pods because now they are refillable and meant for longer use. Other than the hardware, our team also looked into the chemicals that consist the juice. Caramel sticking is a very huge issue and a bother to get rid of. So our team decided to get rid of this problem by decreasing the levels of glycerol that is contained in the juice. Now, this won't do much harm to the product itself because glycerol normally contributes to prevent leakage, which we already solve it by reinforcing the materials that we use in the plastic pods.
So we renovated design and made the product more durable and reusable. But what use is it if the product cannot be cleaned or maintained regularly? And that is why our team decided to go user-friendly. The separable parts that we explained above allow the user to easily disassemble the product and reassemble it with ease, allowing the user to get into the places that normally would take a lot of effort to clean and to maintain. If this is still not enough, we are willing to provide customer service that will aid for the maintenance of the product so that we can ensure that the product maintains high quality throughout its use.
Unlike many other companies in the industry, EKAQO's product is distinctive in many ways. First, we are going to present the competitive analysis and then talk about the EKAQO Care services, which is quite unique service of our company. This is a competitive analysis. These companies provide cylindrical devices or use disposable pod system, which is quite inefficient. We developed a USB-type vaping device that is compact and easy to charge. Also, our product uses ceramic cooling system, which does not require a wick in order to vaporize the juice. By reducing the waste, we can also appeal to eco-friendly aspect of our product. Most importantly, our team's product is economical. The estimated price of our vapor and the pods is at $35 to $45 and about $4 per pod refill. The initial cost put into the device itself might seem burdensome, but considering the fact that each pod contains equal amounts of liquid, the user can save up $1 per pod compared to the other companies. Lastly, EKAQO enables the user to refill the tank numerable times.
Moving on to introducing our customer service, EKAQO Care is the most important factor among the competitors. Based on information from the ID system, EKAQO would be able to analyze where the device is frequently used or charged. So installing centers nearby or shipping to the certain places to provide services would eliminate the need for customers to replace on their own. Moreover, we will contract with the companies that provide shipping services. After replacing or repairing devices, equipment need to be sent back to the customers. So engaging with the shipping services companies will facilitate our business. EKAQO business would best fit in the e-cigarette industry, where the entry barrier is relatively low. As we have these certain and specific competitive advantages, this will count as a huge benefit. Overall, EKAQO's convenience of charging and replacing, customer service, and compact design will make our business most successful.